Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video we're going to learn how to create a floating island. Let's go to my Notion, and here I have a floating island effect. So we're going to create this. Notion link will be in the description, plus I have copy paste again. So first let me tell you, here we can choose a country name or a city name, and we can add famous landmark. What are the famous places there in the country that you have chosen? It can be a mountain, river, landscape, beach, anything. So you can fill according to your needs. Alright, and here is the video prompt. Alright, so I have choose two countries. One is in India and another one is in Indonesia. Alright, we are gonna do this one by one. Okay, so let's copy this first. Let's use with India country. Here we can see few landmarks, famous landmarks of India, and I like how the color is, and I like how the design is. This is nice. Now let's go with Indonesia. Okay, so we have the result already. I have done some changes actually. Let me tell you what changes I have done. I have entered this prompt. We have entered the prompt together, right? And then the result is like this. There are some boats here. Then I thought, let's remove the boats. We got this result, and then I wanted the text to be like, like same how it was in with India, like this. It's laying down, not standing, but that couldn't happen. But they add an animal here, so I said no animals. The result is like this. I have given the like Indonesia text, make it lay down like India. Sample is attached. Result is still same. Alright, so maybe I'll go with the first image. Alright, this one. Okay, this is also nice. So I have downloaded this, and the India image, let me download it. Alright, so we have both our image. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to Pixverse. Alright, so I have this two image uploaded. So first let's go with Indonesia. Alright, and video prompt is actually here. So I'm gonna copy this and paste, and let's create. And I'm gonna remove this image. In the meantime, let's remove this image and let's attach India, and let's go to our Notion and copy the video prompt for India. Copy and paste. Alright, create. Alright, so Indonesia's video is ready. Let's see how it is. Okay, this is fine. This is okay. Actually, it could be better, but it's fine. If you want, you can retry again. If you're not okay, if you're not satisfied with the result, let's retry. Let's see how the result is. Alright, now let's see how India result is. It's good, it's nice. Okay, so we have seen the two videos that we have generated. Let me just erase this. Yeah, okay, so we have seen two videos already, India and Indonesia. Both the results are good, are nice. Alright, so that's it guys. That's how you can create a floating island effect using AI. Alright, and Notion link will be in the description below. And thank you guys for watching, and if you're watching until the very end, please drop a yellow heart or yellow star, or you can comment I have watched till the very end. Please support the channel because it takes so much of effort to create tutorials like this just for all of you guys. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.